It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I.
Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with OQ hair. I love me an OQ hair wig because they got top quality. When you want some of the best quality wigs, you go to OQ hair. Okay, so first in the package that I was seeing today is the wig, of course, but before we get into that, I got some goodies, and these are they. Very nice. All right, but the wig that we're working with is OQ's Glueless Body Wave Elastic Drawstring Wear and Go Pre-bleached knots, pre-cut 13x6 HD lace wig. Guys, look at this wig. It's 32 inches long and it's 280% in density. It comes pre-cut, pre-plucked. You see how realistic the lace look? It looks like scalp. They did their big one on this wig. When I tell you, and the fact that they added a drawstring in the back, love. I give this wig a 20 out of 10 already. I knew that I was gonna love it so much, and the fact that they made this in a glueless wig, like, knowing me, I'm gonna install this every kind of way, with glue, without glue, because it's so convenient, so cute, and this is the type of look that I will wear for a prolonged period as well. But what I did here was I took I took lace tapes for the sideburn portion just to keep that part down, and that's it. I didn't apply any more to the rest of the lace, and then I adjusted the drawstring in the back of the wig. Super easy to do. Like, anybody can do this. Like, you don't have to take the wig to a salon whatsoever. You get me? Look at how excited I am. Yeah, this wig definitely brought excitement to me. The quality is just immaculate. The texture of the hair was very silky, very silky, and they constructed this in a way where the hair on the actual lace is so flat. Look at that. It's giving scalp. They didn't make the hair on the cap too dense at the roots, and I appreciated that. At first, when I felt it, I was like, are they sure this is 280%? But I felt it like throughout the shaft of the hair. I don't know how they did it, but you definitely feel that density. It's beautiful, man. Definitely worth its price. It is top tier. This is the type of wig you pull out for that important event when you want to look super cute. You know, you want to look like a ultimate body. This is the wig you pull out. I went over the top just a little bit with my hot comb and a little bit on my wax stick just to get it extra flat, and then I did go into a few styling options afterwards. Look at that. Look at the partings. The parting looks like that is my actual scalp showing. Actually went into my first look, which was a half up, half down. I kind of wanted a more messy, effortless vibe, so I just got two pieces there in the front, and I left those pieces for like in the bang area. It's very easy, but also so cute. Previously, I showed the shedding that I got from the wig. It really wasn't a lot, minimal, especially for the amount of the hair on the wig. Yeah, definitely such great quality, but I just got an elastic band to keep that together, and that's it for look one.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me
For look 2, I kind of just gathered all of the hair in the back and I put it up with a claw clip, and that was super easy, super cute, and just giving effortless, you know? So for the final look, I decided to just keep it down in its bust down middle part. I got my curling iron just to redefine the curls in the front, and that's it. That was it for the final look.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
This wig is, I highly recommend. I made sure to put the link in the description box. So if you want this wig, or if you want to gift somebody this wig, that's where you can find it. All the specs are also listed. Shout out to OQ here once more. For this bomb wig. OQ is definitely in like my top 10 favorite hair companies for sure. They get it right every single time. But yeah, that's it for today's look. If you like this, though, go ahead and give this video a thumb up and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.